up, everybody? This is the new GoPro Hero 5. Not new, I guess. It's new for me, but yeah. I'm recording in 2.7K. I might upload it in 1080p. I might go ahead and wait to do 2.7, but my internet provider has some problems right now, so the upload speed is horrendous. This is me testing out the new GoPro and the new mic, and I'm gonna put everything that I have in the description. But basically, this is just a quick test video. I decided I wanted to upgrade, so I got that Hero 5, and everything else I needed came in the mail today, actually, like an hour ago. And I just attached everything, so hopefully it works. I did like some light testing in my bedroom. No idea if it's gonna stay. But yeah, I got that side mount because this is the Icon Airflight, and there's no real practical way to do a chin mount, so I decided to do that the side mount. See how that turns out, if you guys like that view or not, in this beautiful, crisp, new GoPro style. This is just a quick test video. I might mess around in the editing, see what I can do with this new GoPro, see how clear it is. And I might put the session like somewhere over here to get a shot of me, because you know I'm so beautiful and all that. No climbing on fences. It's so wet. Oh, there's a lost dog. Oh wait, it says lost dog found. Never mind. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy this little snippet of action. Also, I am testing out this new mic, so if you guys like the quality better, let me know. I mean, I'll probably discern that for myself, but you know, whatevs. Go Falcons! Also, tell me how this camera angle is, if you guys would like it lowered or uppered, you know, whatever. Just let me know. Or if you think this is a sexy camera angle and you don't want anything to change, hit me with that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Comment and tell me I'm a banana. Whatever you guys want to do.